Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to check out a beautiful 1950 shoebox Ford convertible. You got me on that one. It startled me. I love the chrome and bright work, the color combination. It's a beautiful car.
It's so freaking nice. This freaking original radio's even moving and making some noise, man. Look at that. Hopefully we'll see if it works here, but look at that. You can hear it moving. It's all digital. Anyway, what a gorgeous dash. Look at the gauge cluster, the steering wheel. Whoever restored this did a fantastic job. It's got the original owner's manual here. I mean, just look at the quality of the restoration as we get in here. I'm gonna leave that open. When we go around there, I'll show you. I really like this a lot. And I mentioned earlier, Dalton, I have never had a 1950 Ford convertible ever in 25 years. Ever.
We had a 53 once, a blue one.
Not a 50.
What do you think of the front end? I love the chrome's beautiful, all been re-chromed.
Oh
it's
my
got
gosh.
a gorgeous shine, and I love this. See, it's
The
got
cow catcher?
The cow catcher.
I do too. That's a cool bumper guard, dude. I've never seen one quite that high, but
It's beautiful.
comment down below. I'm guessing this is a factory option.
Yeah,
It is.
It's beautiful. I like it a lot. And you knew it was factory V8 if you had the 8 right here on the grill. That's what she's got in her, is the V8. That was damn cool to be back to be alive and driving this thing around in 1950.
What about this, man?
There's so
Look
much
at the
class
hood
on the road.
on it. Isn't it sweet?
It is. You can see reflection, you know.
The paint's beautiful.
Yeah,
the
paint's
body's
beautiful.
awesome. It's just quality. Look at this. You're right, Dalton. This is an absolute show quality 1950 Ford convertible.
And a
for
great
God's
color
sakes.
combination with beautiful chrome.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Bottom side of the hood paint's got a good shine, and you can tell restoration was done some years ago, but it still looks beautiful. The body's straight.
How about a brand new Delco 12-volt battery? So this has been converted over to a 12-volt. That's very important.
Really smooth running flatheads. So far, we have 2 flatheads in our inventory now. I'm super impressed with both of them. They're like the easiest starting freaking cars of late. Like that 50 Merc and this one, you hit the key and it's boom, pops right off.
The hood gaps are awesome. It lines up great. The chrome is immaculate.
Even the chrome around the headlight bezels is real nice. You do have one chip right here on the edge of the hood that's been touched up. Spotlight.
Lights even work here. You could go raccoon hunting with it.
Absolutely. I bet Grandpa Andrews probably did back in the day.
You know what?
I bet
They
he
used to
had it.
hunt out of something like this.
Yep, absolutely.
Definitely not a convertible though.
No. So it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's just a super nice car. We do have a chip here.
Yep, I pointed that
you did.
out.
All right, so
Yep.
it's not perfect, but
The
it's
hood fits great.
damn nice.
It's just really nice and straight. Like I said, I think it's a older restoration, but it still is gonna win you a trophy.
It's very quality.
The chip that's been touched up right here.
And the little chip here, and there's just a couple dirt specks or something in the paint. Quite just right here, you can kind of see just top 2 little spots. Black shows everything, and this thing is super sweet. I love
And
that they went
straight.
ahead and went with the newer style wide whites and the radials. It's going to make it drive even that much better. Hell, it's got the big old bumper guard back here
I know,
too.
don't you like that? It's just it's a classy car.
It's neat, and if a guy doesn't like it, take it off and put 2 chrome bolts in. I like it.
I
But
like
I'm
it. It's
just
very
saying,
50s.
somebody's going to love this thing, dude. We just put it on the website Friday.
We had that maroon. What was that? What was the maroon one we had? A 54?
52 Chevy.
52 Chevy.
Right?
Yep.
That sold immediately at the same price as this one, $39,900. And I think this is a way better color combination, a V8 versus a 6-cylinder. And this has got overdrive, Dalton.
Even though the dash is restored, the paint on the dash is excellent. Your chrome. Clock
Somebody
looks
spent a
great.
freaking fortune doing the paint and body on this.
Yeah, they did. They
And
did
just
a
the
wonderful
little
job.
details.
Is your spotlight still on?
No, I shut it off.
Top of the door panels painted excellent.
How about all new window felts? New rubbers and new felts, like high-end quality felts. Those windows fit really tightly. I'm going to say the interior was probably done, what, 20, 30 years ago, looks like. They did a nice job. I mean, it's still nice. It's got a couple little scuffs on it, but it's a beautiful car. How about the top? We got a white top, D. Black top. We got a really nice black canvas top, huh?
Yeah, beautiful top.
And that's power as well.
Doors open and close great. Your chrome on the door handles is very nice.
Side chrome, tail lights, everything's in great shape there. We have to use a key for that? No, right here, probably, right? It's locked. And this whole time, the damn thing's been running. It's so damn quiet, you didn't even hardly know.
I like the dual exhaust. It sounds great.
It does. Let me go ahead and open this trunk here, if we can.
They had to spend a lot of money rechroming all these bumpers.
Oh my gosh. They spent a fortune on paint and body and chrome on this car. Look at that. Trunk locks beautifully. Oh, it's got fender skirts.
Yeah, I think I had the skirts
matching
on when I bought
wide
it.
white. We should have put the skirts on it.
I know. I think that's what it had on when I bought her.
Yeah, it's beautiful, Dalton. You did a hell of a job. I just kind of ridiculed you a little bit.
I know. Take it back.
I am taking it back 100%, man. This car's nothing but quality.
Look at it. It's got all the correct
Yeah, you did a good job.
trunk covers.
I was just giving him a little shit. I said, why don't we just stay with the Mustang fastbacks?
Who taught me to love these old things?
I did.
Yeah.
Your grandfather.
Yeah, exactly.
And I do love it, and it starts up so nice.
You just never looked at it close yet until this video.
No, I haven't. And it sits there and runs so nice.
Quarters look nice. Is that door shut all the way?
I don't know. It can go in just a little on your striker, but it can go in just a little bit, but that's it. We got just a little bit dent right here and a couple little paint imperfections right along the edge there. As we come in here though, nice lip all the way along. We have a couple scuffs here, and this was, oh, sorry, Dalton.
Like they're little, a lot of
that's your
aviation tires.
Yeah, exactly, a little airplane there, same thing with that. You do have some scuffs here, is what I was saying, on the interior, is a little older. Like the driver's seat, just getting out, in and out, there's some scuffs in the seat, on the driver's seat.
Nothing through.
But I guess if that's the worst thing we can point out about this car, then big deal.
Oh, it's got dual spotlights.
Oh yeah, man,
almost
you can
missed
really
that.
passenger, did this one work? Oh yeah.
Heck yeah, dude.
Somebody spent a fortune, I'm gonna say that one more time on this.
It's pretty. I just think it's classy. I like it.
It's nice. It's really nice, Dalton. If it drives half as good as it looks, I'm going to be impressed. It's tight too, isn't it? Just the way the doors open and close.
Doors open and close good.
So you turn the key on, hit the button, you're fired up right now. Alternator gauge, factory one works. We unhooked the fuel and stuff like that, and it's got aftermarket gauges. That way they're all accurate. With the 12 volt, you almost have to. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So you got great oil pressure here, 45 pounds of oil pressure at an idle. Revs over 60, gas gauge works, it's full, temperature gauge is running nice and cool. And when you have these flatheads like with the dual water pumps, you definitely want to know where your temp is on these things. All this has completely been redone. I don't know if the heater fan works or not. It's right here. I'm gonna shut it off just so I can hear. I can't hear. Listen. Yeah, the blower motor works. You hear it?
No, I can't hear it, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
It works.
Perfect.
I can hear it. Okay, now what do we got? I'm gonna go ahead and shut that off. Fire it up again. You got overdrive here. I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, that
Power top.
That's cool. That works great. There's your choke if you need it. Wipers work. And look how fast they are, dude. That's perfect. And park correctly. You got a 3 on the tree with a overdrive. Like I said, this is all brand new digital radio here, Dalton. I don't know. I just don't think there's a speaker hooked up because you can hear it. Well,
That's kind of wild, though.
yeah. I'm not sure that there's a speaker hooked up. You know what I mean? I just don't know on that, but whoever buys it can mess with that. But it looks like that's a newer style radio when they put it in there. How fast do you think this thing? Holy jeez! I guess the new owner don't have to mess with it. It works.
Just got to warm up.
That scared the shit out of me.
too.
Don't touch it again.
That's your get back for scaring me with that horn earlier.
All right, we're gonna shut it off. The radio works. This car's amazing, dude.
It's a cool car.
You did a hell of a job, D. Grease lightning. Grease lightning.
And it's so easy to drive too. That clutch feels really good. When I pulled it around to the front, it's just
we go through them all too. We go through all the brakes. We make sure the brake pads and everything are good. Make sure the drums are turned or replaced if they need be. Speedometer works. That's Give her some hell, D.
So you've been the cat's meow back in
Little
the day.
bebopper.
Grease light, and speedometer works nice and smooth.
It does, man. We're doing, with these
60
radial tires, we're doing 60, 65, 70. We're doing 70 in a 50 Ford convertible right now. It's so smooth, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I'm so impressed, man. Nice work.
Thanks.
This is a good car. Somebody's going to just love it.
Absolutely.
Let's park it right by the 1950 Merc Coupe.
Yeah,
it'll look awesome together, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a nice car. I love the look and the color combination, and especially with those skirts on. The skirts look awesome. Just finish it out nicely with the white walls.
Turn signal indicator works in the dash, both sides. Here's your brakes. They stop great. Obviously, they're not power. Obviously, they're not disc, but they stop really nicely. How about our idle right here? Runs like a top. Turns well, corners well. It kind of makes me feel like John Travolta back in the day, doesn't
All you're missing is like a leather jacket.
That'd be cool. Me and you could race. I'll be in this, you be on the Merc.
I'll be in the Merc.
We could do that.
That would be kind of neat. We really should. We just had the time.
Neither one of us would be going very fast, but
it'd feel fast though.
Still cool.
Yeah.
I mean, do you think this was fast back in the day? A flathead?
Oh, dude, yeah. This was.
I mean, shit. The early Chevys and stuff all had the 6 cylinders in them forever.
Yeah.
So I mean, and they would literally do about 55, 60.
Yeah. So this thing was like set speed record.
I mean, we already had it at 70, and we weren't even all the way into it. We haven't even hit overdrive yet.
No. It's your Epstein.
It works, doesn't it?
And now we're freewheeling.
No, we're going so fast, I don't think the drone can keep up.
No, we're outrunning the...
Anyway, great car. Uh-oh.
Oh, boy.
We're dead now. Good thing we weren't driving anything faster in the 50
Good
Ford.
thing you came by when we were doing the 50 Ford video, not the Camaro video. Awesome. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Great car. Thanks for watching.